This may look like an ordinary switch, but don't let its Clark Kent appearance fool you. Meet the Intermatic In-Wall Smart Switch, powered by the Intermatic Abra app. Inside, it hides a powerful brain for 7-day astronomic scheduling and automation. Some might even call it super. And while it's not quite as powerful as a locomotive, it can handle electronic ballast loads up to 10 amps and input voltage from 120 to 277 VAC. It can also control motors up to 1 horsepower at 120 VAC and 3 horsepower at 240 VAC. And guess what? This hero doesn't need a sidekick. It's ready for 3-way installation right out of the box without a special companion switch. You don't even need a phone booth for a quick costume change. Just snap on the replaceable cover in white or light almond. Best of all, there's no hub required, so you can control it right away with the Intermatic Abra app in a single bound. It's also Matter certified. That means it integrates into your Apple, Alexa, Google Home, or any other Matter system faster than a speeding bullet. Just scan the QR code on the front. So go ahead, bring home the Intermatic In-Wall Smart Switch. You might not be saving the universe, but at least you'll have complete control of your lights. And that's pretty heroic.